So now we are going to test some routines. For example, the sense routine that is going to go through this, and with the sensor is going to detect this surface, and it's going to go to the cabin. So what you have to do now is to go to program editor, and here in debug you just select the routine you want to run, and we are gonna search for sense. Okay, and press OK, and now you have to press this button here and hit play to make it run. So let me check if I can try it. I'm going to try to do it by myself. There you go. This is the position you need to do. And let's hit play. There you go. You need for this sequence, you need the cabin forward. Now it's trying to sense the pipe, you see. Okay. It didn't reach the position, but I guess we need to move. Okay, the pipe is released, so we need to close the jaws and position the pipe. Okay.